The 2025 Honda Accord is here, and it's redefining what a midsize sedan can be in today's competitive market. Built with the perfect blend of elegance, technology, and performance, the new Accord stands tall as a prime example of Honda's continued innovation. Whether you're a loyal Honda enthusiast or someone looking to upgrade to a stylish and reliable sedan, the 2025 Accord is built to impress. The first thing you'll notice is its striking new design. Honda has given the Accord a sleeker, more coupe-like silhouette, with sharper lines, a bolder front grille, and redesigned LED headlights that give it a more aggressive and upscale presence on the road. The 2025 Accord now rides on new alloy wheels that not only enhance its stance but also improve aerodynamics and efficiency. Inside, the cabin is pure comfort and modern design. Premium materials cover every surface, and the attention to detail is immediately noticeable. Honda has focused on minimalism and functionality, offering a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is clear and customizable, giving drivers exactly the information they need at a glance. Rear seat passengers will also enjoy generous legroom and improved seat cushioning, making long drives more comfortable for everyone in the car. Honda's latest version of the Accord is more connected than ever, with advanced features like over-the-air updates, Google built-in for seamless navigation, and a premium Bose sound system for those who love their audio crisp and clear. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Accord offers both a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine and a hybrid powertrain option. The hybrid variant delivers outstanding fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, perfect for daily commuting and long-distance cruising. The ride quality is refined, and Honda's updated suspension system ensures a quiet and smooth drive, even on rough roads. Safety remains a top priority, and Honda Sensing now includes an upgraded suite of driver assist technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and traffic jam assist. For anyone following our channel, 2025 Honda Accord, you know we're passionate about highlighting the very best this model offers. With this new version, Honda takes a confident step forward, combining efficiency, luxury, and technology in the way that few sedans can match. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive updates and reviews on the all-new 2025 Honda Accord.